In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox error code 5292026. So let's get straight into the video. So in 2026, if you're facing this problem, it simply means that it's issues with your internet connection or Roblox server, corrupted cache, or even your firewall, VPN, or something else. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Roblox server status. Simply go to status.roblox.com and see if everything is operational. If that is not the case, then it could be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and also try restarting your router or modem. Now, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your Roblox application. And if that doesn't work, you might also need to go ahead and clear cache for your Roblox application. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and disable your VPN and proxy, and also go ahead and check your firewall settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.